Hello, my little YouTubers. How's it all going out there? Good? You having a good weekend? Okay, today I'm going to do an Irish coin. But Jesus, no, sir. Bloody hell. It's a 2p. This is my first Irish coin, I think. So, first of all, we've got to bash a hole in it. And for that, this is self-centering. I'd like to thank SCCJB. They're looking forward to Halloween, so am I. I went shopping today. Bought some props. It's exciting, isn't it? Can't wait. Right. Let's go after Big Bertha, see if she's wet today. No, she's not. She's not even damp. Good. This is a 20-cent press. Yeah, I went out and bought some goodies for Halloween, so my friends over there in the good old US of A and Canada, they seem a bit of a laugh. CSCJB and his mates. So thanks, guys. Right, what we got? I'd also like to thank Phobot Captain. He left me a lovely comment yesterday. Fair play to you, man. It's nice to get nice comments. Well, most of my comments are nice. You get the odd few saying it's illegal what I'm doing. But it's not really. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. Yeah, this Halloween's getting more and more carried away each time. I'm thinking of different things I'm going to do. It's a shame it's only for one day though. Still, you know. There's Christmas coming as well. I'll try and do something for Christmas, you know. I'm pretty restricted really because I'm making coin rings. There you go. That's pretty damn sexy. There's not much on it really, but I'll have this as the face side of the ring. Right, let's show a bit of love and warmth with Bernie the fire starter. Daisy. I've only burnt myself a couple of times. I won't do it anymore though. You soon get used to it. So, CSCJB, whereabouts in the States are you from? Or are you the guy in Canada? I worked in the States. When I was shipbuilding, I worked in Portland, Oregon. That was a beautiful place. Got that mountain there, Mount Hood. I've got to get over the trees. Crazy trees, man. Bigger than a big thing. Right, yeah, okay, so this is going to be sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down. This is just a 17 folding die. Let's go over to Big Red. It's a 1-ton arbor press. Well, this is really soft. How much more can I go? I don't think I can go that much further. Yeah, okay. What else we got? Yeah, I can stick it in this one. It's bloody dark in here. Plus the clocks go back tonight here as well. I could never get used to which it was where they go back or forward. But my dear old mother, she said, in the summer they spring forward. Spring forward, yeah. And the winter they go back, so back they come. Right, let's get Sandy out. Just want to make sure there's no cracks for me. Yeah, it's bloody dark in here. I don't have the centre light on because that makes my camera go a bit weird. So, but weird's good, I like weird. Right, let's go to Spike. There he is. My favourite tool. He stretches your ring. I think this is copper, which will make your finger green, but I do seal them with a clear coat. Should last you, depending how you wear it and how you use it. But if it does start to wear off, you can always give it a thin coat of nail varnish, you know. So if any of my Irish friends out there would like a ring, there you go. I'll give it a bit more, a touch more. I can't wait for Halloween, I'm looking forward to it. I mean, it's got out of control now. I bought all this bloody stuff. Still, I can use it every year if I'm still alive. If the world is still here, the world's gone crazy. Right. Now, I think I'll go to the bottom end of Spike. And these are reduction dies. You just want to straighten these walls up. I had a comment that it was a bit too much, everything was too big, so I'm trying to, there you go, walls are nice and straight. And I think, yeah, we have to cut a bit out. Yeah, they said the magnification was too much, so let me know what you think. Well, there's not a lot of detail on this coin ring now, but anybody from Ireland watching this? You got any comments? Drop it under the video. You can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. You can check out my web shop, yourfingermyring.com. If you'd like me to make you a custom ring, happy to do so. You can send me your own coins. That's pretty sexy. See that? That is now the same all the way through. This isn't for anybody in particular. What size are we looking at? This is a size 65 and 3/4, but I can make them larger or smaller. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. Hey, look at her today. I think she was at the salon this morning. She's looking pretty sexy. Yeah, I was reading the newspaper today, the Daily Mail from the UK. Online, obviously. And Kate Bush is back. I wasn't too sure if she was still alive, but evidently she's making a comeback. Good old Kate, eh? There you go. 1988. But Jesus, that's Ireland. If I didn't know that at all, but Jesus now, sir. Right, there you go. I worked with the Irish for many years when I was shipbuilding. Loved them. We had great times. There's me and this other English guy and about 40 Irishmen. Bloody fantastic they were. I was working for a company called My Van Marine Shipbuilding. Worked all over with them. Right. Clean my mandy pandies a bit. Let's break out Felton John. Thing with copper, it does look beautiful. They do make your finger go green. But like I say, I seal them with a clear coat. Right, what we got? Let's get a slightly cleaner cloth, shall we? Messy boy. Right, what we got? It's coming out rather nice. This is my first Irish coin. There you go. Meanwhile, my hands are still covered in oil and polish, but after this my girlfriend goes through them, cleans them all up, she does the photographs, she does the online stuff for me, because I can do emails and shit like that, but I can't do much else. I'm old school. Morse code, stuff like that. There you go, folks. 1 2p Irish coin. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for the likes, and thanks for the comments, especially from you two guys. Have a great weekend, be safe, and go and have some fun tonight. It's Saturday. Bye-bye.